Let's also get in then Abhishek Goenka, who's founder and CEO at India Forex Advisors, and he joins us on a Mumbai phone line. Abhishek, hi. What's your sense really coming in for the currency ahead of the current account deficit numbers on Monday?
I personally feel that the US dollar trend is still intact, and the QE thing has been tapered. I mean, it has not been tapered, but then it has just been delayed. And it can happen anytime between October to December. And this time, the tapering actually happens. Probably the quantum of the tapering may not be to the tune of $5–10 billion, but maybe more. So I feel that though the problem of the money going out from emerging markets have kind of delayed, but typically I personally feel that the withdrawal of the money is going to be still there. So I personally feel that 60, 61, if this kind of levels comes in case it comes, then definitely the importers and the ECB loan repayment guys should definitely go and use this opportunity to buy US dollars. And on a medium term to long term perspective, I still feel that the rupee is a weak currency and we're going to see the US dollar heading higher.
Abhishek, how would you want to react to the report which is coming from Stancy Global headquarters, which says that the rupee could be heading back to 69 before this year ends?
I don't know about 69, but yes, I personally feel that rupee will remain weak, and a level close to around 64, 65 is definitely possible, looking at the QE effect. And if the QE is too wild, then probably what the research team of Stancy says may be possible.
Also, what's your sense coming in for the Indian inflation numbers? Because the RBI chief says that continues to be sticky and could really put pressure on. The export numbers are not expected to be so strong as well as we closed around this quarter. How are you reading the local domestic numbers?
See, Manisha, there's no clue that what numbers are going to come out. But yeah, as they say, right, that inflation is sticky. I also feel the same, that inflation is going to be a little sticky. And that's the reason the measures that the RBI has been taking over the last few days, it reflects that particular message. So, and of course, if anything like that happens, the markets are not going to take it positive, and the rupee will obviously react to that, and the rupee would become weak.
All right, so more cues really leading to the rupee depreciation there. Abhishek, thank you so much for joining us with your sense on currency. Let's also get on board Vijay Bhamwani, who's author and CEO at BSPL India. Vijay, hi, thank you and welcome. How are you looking at the currency moves now? I mean, we saw a better week, but today